Hello, this is Team Dawgsforce, and if you are a volunteer and you have watched part one's training video, you can continue watching. However, if that does not describe you, please go back and watch the first training video, which is a general overview of the system, or select another user permission video that better suits your role. So, as a volunteer, you're going to enter your credentials and proceed into the system. And as a volunteer, you'll be using this system through the iPad. So you're going to be weighing food, and then the food that you weigh, you're going to enter that data through this system. So the only tile that you really need to use is the add donation. The view reports and the add donor tiles are available for you. However, you really don't have any functionality within them. So the reports, you are not able to view any reports. And then for the donors, you can view the current donors, but you are unable to edit, delete, or modify any of them. So let's go back to what you will actually be doing. You'll click Add Donation. And these are all of the current donation instances. So say you just entered one and accidentally typed the wrong number. The scale said 11 pounds and you put 10. You can click this edit button here and change it at any time to 11 and click save. And here, so the main first functionality you'll see is this edit button. And you can see what it does. The next thing that you'll need to do, you'll be doing a lot, is you'll click this new button. And this is the form that you will see to add data for a new donation. So let's say Trader Joe's comes in and gives you 35 pounds of meat. So you're going to first search the donor name, and it has to be already inputted into the system. So you have to click, you have to type in and select here. You can't essentially hard code your own donor in. And then next, based on the Food Bank of Northeast Georgia, they have reporting requirements, so you can receive training on that separately. However, you need to select the food category of the donation, so you might have to fill out many forms for one donation. So if Trader Joe's gives you some meat and some veggies, you'll fill out two separate forms, one for the meat, one for the veggies. So there's three options. First is raw. So if it's raw, then the food type you will select is either produce, meats, dairy, freezer, or dry goods. If the food category is prepared, then that represents bread and bakery, prepared meals, cooler miscellaneous, snacks, juice, and beverages. And then the third option is other. So if this doesn't represent any of those, you can select non-food. The next thing to do is to select the date it's donated. So today is the 25th and the time is 1:41. So we can just select 1:30. You'll select whatever's closest, and then the number of pounds. So say we reweigh it and it's actually 33 pounds. We'll select 33, and then you'll finish it off by clicking save. And this is the instance you just created, Trader Joe's, other non-food, 33 pounds. So if you go back to the donations, you should see it here, number 8. That's awesome. And as I mentioned, you can edit them anytime you need. So this is going to be the main functionality and purpose of the volunteer. So I would recommend kind of looking through this before you create your first instance. But overall, this is how you will be entering data for Campus Kitchen. So thank you for your time and have fun volunteering.